last video that we had, we tackled the difference between the long and short vowel sounds. So this time, let's be more specific. Let's learn about the difference between the long E and the short E sound. Are you ready? The long E is a sound that exists in many languages. When I say the sound, the front of my tongue is high and very near to my tooth ridge. The tooth ridge is that bump right behind my top front teeth. Take a second and use your tongue to feel your tooth ridge. Feel it? Good. Let's say and hold the long E as in the word keep. Say keep. Eat. Reach. Feed. Feel. Very good. Now that you know how the long E sound really feels, let's take a look at its neighbor, the short E sound. The short E does not exist in very many languages, and so many non-native speakers simply use the more common long E sound in its place. To say the short E, the front of the tongue lowers just a tiny bit from the long E position. E, E, E. It sounds like sit. Say sit. Fit. Fill. It. Rich. Very good. Since we're done learning the two of them separately, we'll now compare these sounds using minimal pairs. I'll leave time for you to repeat after me. Beat, bit. Cheap, chip. Each, itch. Ease, is. Heel, hill. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Stay tuned and watch more videos to learn. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.